So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now, let's do our assignment developing soft skill and personality. Week second, assignment second. So, the first question is identify the situations that provide win-win solution from the following option. So, the answer of our first question is all of the above. Now, the second question is Leela and Shravan, who are college friend, had a falling out when Shravan took Leela's unlocked bike without asking and returned it with a scratch. Leela was furious, feeling both betrayed and disrespected, while Shravan apologized but felt Leela was overacting. They stopped texting and mutual friends were caught in between. Recognizing the rift, Shravan suggested a coffee meetup to clear the air. Leela agreed, but both were nervous and uncertain about how to have a constructive conversation. Which of the following steps with conversation, which of the following steps with will help them reach a respectful reconciliation? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is A, B, and D. Now the third question is Shruti, a freelancer, right? Enjoy the flexibility of working from home and so on. And these are the option. And the answer of our third question is A, B, E, and F. Now the fourth question is what are some common consequences of unresolved conflict? So these are the option. And the answer of our fourth question is A, B, C, D, and F. Now the fifth question is Prerna, a social media influencer, and Pritha, her best friend, are currently not talking due to misunderstanding that occurred between them. The conflict has left Prerna feeling upset and unsure of how to proceed. Choose the measure that Prerna can adopt. So the answer of our fifth question is A, B, and C. Now the sixth question is Binoy, a passionate gamer, frequently loses his temper while playing online video games. He yells at his teammates, blame them for his mistake, and even throw his controller in frustration. This behavior is affecting his relationship with his online friends and causing him stress. What should Binoy do? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is A, B, E, F. Now, the seventh question is Ritwik has an upcoming interview for his dream job. He's excited but also feel nervous and stressed. How can Ritwik best manage his pre-interview nervousness and ensure he present himself confidently? So the answer of our seventh question is B and F. Now the eighth question is which of the following statements should be avoiding during a conflict? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is A, B, C, F. Now, the ninth question is a group of friends plans a trip but struggle to agree on the destination and activities. Different opinions clash as the discussion heat up, leading to interpersonal conflict. Identify the individual who showcase conflict resolution skills. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B and C. Now the 10th question is Mahesh and Deepika have been going study as close friends for a year. Lately, Mahesh feels there is a lack of emotional connection in their relationship. He wants to talk to Deepika about his concern, but he is worried about starting an argument and so on. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B and E. Now the 11th question is at which level of conflict resolution is a third party request to act like a judge? So these are the option negotiation, meditation, arbitration, conciliation, litigation, collaboration. So the answer of our 11th question is C, arbitration. Now the 12th question is Arav is a 25-year-old aspiring filmmaker who lived in Delhi with his father, a retired army officer who believed in a stable government job and disciplined lifestyle. Arav has recently been selected for a competitive unpaid internship in London that could launch his career. His father, however, instead he prepared for and qualified the UPSC exam instead, and so on. So the answer of our 12th question is D. Now the 13th question is what does Parkinson's law states? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is also D. Now the 14th question is Arjun, a freelancer writer, struggled to maintain boundaries with his best friend Kabir, who frequently messages him for weekend hangouts, even when Arjun needs personal time to recharge, and so on. So the answer of our 14th question is A. Now the 15th question is which among the following is the most crucial factor to consider when choosing a solution to a conflict? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is A. Now the 16th question is, which among the following options best describe the role of a third party in mediation? So these are the option, and the answer of our 16th question is F. Now the 17th question is, Tara, a senior editor at a magazine, is mentoring two junior writers who clash over article tone. One favor light-hearted conversational piece while the other insists on formal research-driven reporting, and so on. So the answer of our 17th question is B. Now the 18th question is, what is the first step toward resolving a conflict? So these are the option, and the answer of our 18th question is A. Now the 19th question is, Madhvi is a freelancer photographer in Goa who is juggling two high profile shoots on the same day, and so on. So the answer of our 19th question is also A. Now the 20th question is, which of the following reasons correctly explain why taking a break from work can be productive? So these are the option, and the answer of our 20th question is E. Now the 21st question is, Aditi and Umesh decide to get married. As they get closer to their wedding day, Umesh realizes he is not ready to marry and communicate his this to Aditi. This creates a conflict of interest and they decide to end their relationship amicably. This is a health approach as they were honest with each other and could respect their individual choices. True or false? So the answer of 21st question is A, true. Now the 22nd question, during negotiation, it is always best to maintain a completely rigid stance on your desired outcomes, refusing any compromise. So the answer of our 22nd question is B, false. Now, the 23rd question is, Seema is right in believing that we have control over the occurrence of conflicts and can avoid them if we refuse to interact with people. So, the answer of our 23rd question is false. Now, 24th question is, stress is a myth created by people to avoid taking responsibility for their action and decision. So the answer of our 24th question is false. Now, the 25th question is, Ambika believes that losing one's sleep to avoid stressful situation in the future is all right, even if it causes her stress right now. Ambika has a healthy approach towards stress management. True or false? So the answer of our 25th question is B, false. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.